trick-or-treaters! So Jason just bought a new laptop. He said it's the Razer Blade, which basically means that it's gonna be my new gaming laptop because you know, Razer and games. So let's go ahead and let's open this up. Da, 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 da. So we got bubble wrap. Do I need that? A book. Not a laptop, but a book. Dude, it's a sketchbook. I like sketchbooks. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I heard that this laptop has like a 4K monitor and it has the mechanical keyboard, which is like my favorite thing ever for playing games with, and that it has a really fast processor, which means that I can play games, and it has a webcam so I can stream. Here's the box. It has a snake on it, and it says for gamers by gamers. Ta-da! Whoa! Wait, this is really fancy. Look at this! Whoa! This isn't even the laptop. This is like a hard case. Get out of the way. There's too many boxes. Okay. Oh shoot. All right, let's do this. It's a beautiful black box. It has the snake on it, and...
How many times have I told you that that is not yours? That is not a gaming laptop for you.
But
it is my editing laptop. Get out of here.
It says, thank you for choosing a Razer system. This is to play games on.
No, for editing.
No, but it says
You're
for
trashing
gamers.
my entire move.
But no, it says
Scoot,
for
scoot,
gamers.
scoot,
No, this
scoot,
is
scoot,
mine.
scoot. How did you set all this up without me?
But you said
Excuse me. Oh my god.
No.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Go away.
It's beautiful.
It's so pretty. I can't. Whoa, it's so light too.
Show it to that camera. Show it to that camera that is conveniently set up. Ooh.
It's really pretty. I like this color scheme. It's like this black and green, and it's a light. It's thin. Congratulations. There is no turning back. Okay. All right. That's literally what it says
You
right
bought
there.
this product. You can't return it anymore. It's what they're saying.
See right here. We are the cult of Razer, and our community ranges from casual games to world champions. It's for me to game because I'm a world champion.
I got this.
And we share one thing in common. We love winning, which sucks because you're a loser.
Forget what it says. This has specs of a great editing laptop. I will let you do the honor of taking out the plastic. You see this? You just trashing my entire room. It cleaned up and you just trashed it again.
All right, let's open this up. You should ASMR this.
Okay, let me pull my mic a little closer.
You satisfied?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
That's the stuff right there.
Here we go.
Ooh.
Da, 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 da.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna plug this in. You know what? You can zoom in.
You can zoom in?
Ooh.
Wait, let's straighten it up. Wow, it's pretty. My favorite thing about this, the keyboard.
Can you just boot it up now?
Whoa! Whoa! It changes colors. Wait, you guys have to see. Whoa!
I didn't even get a chance to touch it yet.
No, but wait. Oh, look at those colors. So what does this run? Windows?
I mean, obviously.
Well, it has to because it's a gaming laptop, and we all know games run better on a PC.
How does it feel compared to a 15-inch MacBook Pro?
I don't know. Let's compare. This is the 15-inch MacBook. These keys are louder. I like it. It's clean too. It's like all black. It's really nice.
That's one of the biggest things that I like about this laptop.
Right.
Is because
What language?
you didn't let me finish.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I said one of the biggest things that I like about this and what drew me into this is because of the aesthetics as well. I've seen a bunch of Dell XPSs or Asus and they just...
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Just keep getting
A little
interrupted
sign
today.
in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for
Oh,
all
she's
you
got
plan
that
to do.
sass.
It's
You can use
Cortana,
your
not
voice or the
me.
keyboard along the way. And if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon.
Okay, I'm sorry. Before you were rudely interrupted by
All right,
Cortana.
one of the biggest thing is because of the aesthetics. I've seen like a bunch of Windows laptop at Best Buy, and there's just too much things going on. This is like a much cleaner
What do you
looking
mean
laptop.
too much things?
It's just like, I don't know, you've seen those laptops. They look weird, it's kind of bulky, it's not sleek, it's not smooth.
That's true.
So, I like this one a lot more.
Yes, it's very clean. I like how sleek it looks.
No, Jason.
Laptop for
No.
games. Oh my gosh, can I just use it yet?
Oh my gosh.
You
Cortana?
just met her and you already don't like
Hey,
her.
I don't like it. None of the other voice assistants has been this
Pushy?
pushy, talkative when we first set up.
Does it actually light up or is it? Oh, it does. Okay.
Alright, well, thanks for doing all the hard work for me. Excuse me.
No, it's still floating and I just want to
my
load
God.
Steam. I think it should come preloaded with Steam so I can play games. Alright guys, let me know what are some cool new games that I should play on this laptop. Comment below.
No games.
I don't want to play anymore.
You're tethered.
Bye.
Oh, God. Oh. Thank goodness that's out of the way.